Now in Python, we are able to use add two strings together, which they call concatenation. Let me do this one. Let me have again one variable person. I cat that is another variable. That is it. I call it dog, and Lucy is my dog. So if I want to put this together, I said um, print. I said person, this variable, and then I want other variable, uh, add the dog, and let's see how this here is going. So I love Lucy. This is my dog, and I have to give a space here that be able to have that here. I love Lucy. This is my dog. Okay, so that is we are able to add two variable to each other.